Welcome to TheSpiceNova. Today, we're making a classic Neapolitan pizza. Freshness is the secret. These simple ingredients make magic.
Chef, does the yeast need to be activated first?
Not for this recipe, we are using instant yeast. Kneading develops the gluten for that perfect signature chew. Now, we let it rest. Patience is an ingredient too. Just a few pulses. We want to keep the sauce fresh and rustic.
Not for a true Neapolitan.
Not for a true Neapolitan. We let the tomato flavor shine. Fresh mozzarella provides those beautiful pools of creaminess. Dry basil ensures it doesn't steam on the pizza. Each ball is a future masterpiece. Stretch gently. Keep the air in the crust. Essential to ensure it slides perfectly into the oven. Start from the center and work your way out. Don't overcrowd it. Balance is key.
Chef, it looks so authentic, like the Italian flag.
Thank you. I'm glad you like it. Into the heat she goes.
Wow, 90 seconds? That's incredible.
Look at that crust. Perfection.
The best pizza I've ever had.
Happy cooking! Don't forget to subscribe for more.